Hi, this is Carlos Aquino. In this video, I'm gonna configure PPP, point-to-point protocol. It's a layer 2 1 protocol. PPP is used to connect a local area network, LAN, to a wide area network throughout a service provider. And in this network right here, I already configured each one of the interfaces. Um, each of the computer has already an IP address. This one is in the .4 network, and this one is in .2 network. Here in the middle we have a .3 network. Um, Now I'm just going to configure first the the static IP route, and then we're gonna configure the the PPP, point-to-point protocol. To the static IP route, we are in. Let me exit from here. That's it. To start from the beginning, first we hit enable, conf t, short for configure terminal. In configure terminal we put IP route. I hit tab to complete, and it's gonna be 192.168.4.0 network with a class C subnet mask. On the S2/0 interface, we can hit, and we're gonna put it with one distance metric for this route. Okay, this is set up. We go to this one. Let me put it inside the camera right here. Okay, let me click and to start from the beginning. Now we click enable, conf t to go to configure terminal. After we're in configure terminal, we go to IP route, and we put the other IP address. It's a .2 network with, again, with a class C subnet mask. On the S2/0 interface with one metric. We're gonna test if we can ping. Ping 192.168.2.102, I believe. Let's check just to make sure. 103. Is the IP address of the host we're trying to ping across the network. This first one is timeout, the other ones went through. Reply. We got a reply. Now we're gonna configure PPP. When we configure PPP, the the network is going to go down because they need to authenticate. Before anything, we're gonna put a username and a password. We put user name. We're gonna put R2 for the other router, and password, tab to complete, Cisco. We're gonna go to the interface serial 2/0, and here we go encapsulation PPP. We're gonna see how it's gonna go down now. The link went down. Encapsulation PPP. We go to PPP. We hit to see what else. What can we do? We're gonna see that is PAP. Sorry. We go to see what else. We're gonna set the username and the password. So username R1 and password Cisco. We hit enter, and this one is already set up. Now we go to the other router. First of all, we're gonna need to put a username. User name is gonna be R1, password Cisco. We go to the interface 02/0. Now we change encapsulation to PPP. We hit PPP, hit PPP, pad, send username, and it's gonna be R2, password Cisco. Now they should authenticate, and we should be able to ping across the network. We're gonna check that, and we again try to ping, and yes, we got a reply, and that was PPP with PAT.